ก็ดูชอบที่ดูอยากที่เขาเองบ้านมารู้ว่าไม่ได้เขาไปก่อนกินน้ำนี้อ่ะ
Hi everyone, it's nice meeting you again through this channel, Bali Tourism Media, which always focuses on presenting the latest Bali tourism information and religious things from Bali, the island of the god. This time, I'll be presenting a Balinese traditional spiritual dance which is called Rejang Dewa, and it was performed during the temple ceremony in Uluwatu Temple, Bali. Rejang dance is a traditional dance of Hindus in Bali particularly, which is now spreading out all over the archipelago to welcome and entertain the gods who came from heaven and came down to earth. This Rejang dance is specifically performed at a religious ceremony, on a temple festival, and or during special ceremonies. Apart from being one of the cultural heritage, this dance is also believed to have important values and full of spiritual meanings. The Rejang dance also functions as an expression of gratitude, worship and respect for the people to Supreme God, along with its manifestations, the Trinity gods and the related ancestors who came down to earth. So this dance is also believed to be a sacred dance and is carried out with a full of sense of devotion. This kind of Rejang dance is specifically called Rejang Dewa as a sacred dance which is usually performed on medium and large level of temple ceremony. This Rejang dance is usually danced by a number of female dancers in groups. Generally, they are not professional dancers, therefore children can do it as well. They have a very specific costume with a very ornamented headdress with gold colors and flashy earrings. In general, the movement of the Rejang dance is quite simple. This Rejang dance movement is usually dominated by hand movements, arms, as well as left and right foot steps, which are carried out while stepping forwards slowly. The movement of the Rejang dance is usually performed at a slower tempo and is also adapted to the existing musical accompaniment so that the dance movements and musical accompaniment feel wise and look harmonious. That's a brief description about this sacred dance with full of spiritual meanings. Hopefully, it can be useful and at the same time entertain all friends. Please continue watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends and click the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos about Balinese religious things and the Bali tourism update.